Hi. Do you know why we're here?
No, I don't.
Well, take a guess.
I do not know what's going on.
Well, we are here to announce that you're October 2022 Employee of the Month.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you. Oh, my God.
Everyone in this room supports what you come in and do every single day. And I could not be more proud to represent Ortho and be able to announce that you're Employee of the Month. Like, this is really special.
Vanessa shows up every single day ready to serve, and I think it's that capacity to care with compassion.
The phrase goes above and beyond does not even express Vanessa. When I go to look for her, she is stocking rooms. She's looking at medication, making sure that we don't have anything expired.
She's that type of person that it's just go-to. She is eager to step outside of her realm of comfort.
There have been any number of times that I have seen you, whether asked or unasked, go above and beyond just to help some of my patients.
We've had her come downstairs to the surgery center to assist us with casting patients or splinting patients in the post-operative phase.
I really enjoy working with my colleagues. Coming here each day, working with a great team, great teamwork, great collaboration. What I love about my job is the connection that I get to have with my patients. I know they're going through a lot, and then to be someone that can help them through their process physically, and also being able to give them words of encouragement through it.
It's a pleasure to have you here. You are just an exemplary employee person. You bring such happiness to us, and I'm so glad that you're on our team.
She has come in and done amazing work here. She has fine-tuned every little nook and cranny that we have, worried about inventory, goes above and beyond, and she has done everything she can to learn and give them what they need for their patients. So she's definitely the example that we want for everybody.
I also want you to know you'll be getting a check for $500.
Thank you.
Taxes are taken out before, so it will be a true $500. And we just appreciate you.
You know, at the end of the day, I mean, it comes from my heart what I do. I do it for the patients.